Cheers. But this is absolutely stunning. I'm like about to cry.
Yeah. That's so freaking good.
It's so exciting. My Christmas name is Ransom.
Oh my gosh. So yummy. It looks like we're going away. I'm exhausted. Guys, we finished the hike. Oh my god. Everyone just...
I'm gonna have to go with boyfriend.
Boyfriend! Everyone say hi! Hi, hello guys. We are going to Blue Ridge! Woo! It's supposed to rain the whole weekend. It's fine.
It's not going to.
It's not going to. That's right. We're gonna do a non-rain dance. I'm kidding. Okay, so we have Lindsay driving. Do you guys want to say your names in the back?
You have Abby and
Shelby.
Shelby back here. Dream
You're gonna
team.
introduce me.
I know. I was like,
I was giving you your time to shine. We got the party car, so
Yes.
stay tuned. It's about to be a jam session.
and it says 8 hours and 30 minutes. Arrival time 5:17. We'll see what time we actually arrive.
Let's do estimations.
Yeah.
I think 6:45.
I'm thinking 6:21.
I'll say 7:15.
I'll do 7 on the dot. Bye, Florida.
Bye.
See you later. Georgia.
Should be doing tip.
Yum. Cheers. Okay guys, we made it, finally! It's so freaking stunning! And also, what time is it? It's 8:30. We just drove for like 12 hours, so wow.
Let's party!
It's so freaking cute. Oh my gosh.
This is a nice one, but it's too close to the front door.
Wait, this is so freaking cute. And the, oh my gosh.
So this is my house.
Hey guys, welcome to Wait guys, what the heck? Oh my god!
Oh my gosh! Dude, wait, this is sick!
Oh my
Karaoke here.
Yeah, what the heck? Oh my gosh.
Wow! Oh my gosh!
Is this the bus?
these are-
You made it! Wait. This literally feels like a... Oh my god.
And over here, a fashion week.
Yes!
Hi, hello, good morning, guys. Wait. Okay, I literally have chills because I thought I was like more of like a ocean girly, but this is absolutely stunning. I'm like about to cry. Oh my gosh. Like what the heck? I know, they're so cute. The sun is out and now it's time to get ready for some fun stuff we got planned. But look at the mountains. Ah, precious. All right guys, we're making some eggs. Good morning, Grace. Lindsay's on pancake duty, and they are so fluffy.
Fluffy.
Look at them. Oh my gosh. And Sharon's on coffee duty.
The best part.
And then the bacons are in there.
Heck yeah. So much bacon.
What's the pancake to person ratio?
I don't know. Sounds about right. Grace, can you, or syrup me? Someone? Syrup me.
Tell me when.
Keep on. And make sure our waters are filled up before we go. Jesus, thank you so much for this food and this fire freaking day. I can't wait to ride on the horse, your creation. Your beautiful creation of animals. Yeah.
That's so freaking good.
How do you guys feel?
So exciting. My horse's name is Ransom.
Sorry, what's yours?
Buffet.
It's a what?
A buffet.
Oh my gosh.
What's your breakfast?
So yummy.
It looks like we're going the wrong way. Already.
Alright guys, little update. We're not even like halfway through the hike. And like, there's a lot of stairs. Like, I don't even know where the top is. But it looks pretty. Yeah, woo! Good job, girls. Water break at the top. Water break at the top. Let's go, let's go.
No, I can't make it
Okay. This is pretty wild. Oh, I'm exhausted. Okay, also, can I just talk about the place we ate for lunch? It was so freaking good. And they were so sweet too. Literally the sweetest people ever. Gave us free food, free sweet tea. Just amazing. So check them out if you're ever here in the Blue Ridge area. How are we feeling?
Feeling good.
Lindsay, how are you feeling?
like freaking death.
Oh my gosh.
My eyes hurt.
Abby, what are you doing?
Natural deodorant.
So what is happening here? Is it working?
Yeah. I
Wow.
know someone who just uses lemon
Yeah.
in their armpit.
But yeah, I literally smell all the way over here. Like, not your BO, but your orange.
Her orange
Oh my gosh, I'm like freaking drenched in sweat right now.
She was eating it and reminded me. I was like,
This is yours?
How's the sweet tea?
Oh my god, no.
Fill my heart.
Like, I should just grabbed a random. Yeah. I was like, what do you say that?
What is it, 200?
Yeah, just about. Ew, I'm already so gross. Let's go. Guys, we finished the hike. Except now it's raining. Now it's time for some milkshakes or ice cream. Hi, hello, good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Good. We went on a walk. We made some breakfast. And now we're going to brunch.
Sure are.
Everyone's here.
Buckled.
Other car's over there. It's our last full day.
Thanks.
Look at the place from the outside, guys. It's so cute.
So cozy out.
Yes.
My favorite little flag.
Thanks for coming out.
Wait, those look actually pretty bussin'. Holy freak.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Everyone just.
I know, right? Wait, I need a picture of it. We all look like we've never seen someone. Oh, that French toast looks
Get in my belly.
Did you get
Honey
the camera
Mama?
from them too?
Ooh, honey mama for some whole milk. Oh, whole milk. Coconut. Sounds yummy. Dinner time with Grace.
So pre-dinner snack because we are
Everyone, you always have to.
exactly roasted garlic, hummus, a little pepper,
Peppa.
boom.
You heard it here first. Sharon's on salad duty. Lindsay's on cozy duty. Shelby is making the fire like a whole woman.
Shelby's getting ready for Kilimanjaro.
Hey, okay, it's really blurry.
Kilimanjaro.
Oh. We have a lineup for dinner.
It is.
Delish. Hi, hello guys. So we just finished dinner and now we also watched a movie together and then now we're gonna go to the hot tub really fast. But it's our last night and so sad. Hot tub time! Wow. This is so fun. All right, we're heading out. Bye. Say bye to the vlog. Bye vlog. I don't have depth perception. Love you guys. Bye. I was gonna roll that. Okay. Bye.